Good morning students, myself Gitika Kalra, and today in this video we are going to learn about asexual reproduction in plants. Now as we have done asexual reproduction in plants, that is there is the involvement of a single parent only. So now we are going to learn about the 6 types of asexual reproduction in plants. They are fission, second budding, third spore formation, fourth regeneration, fifth fragmentation. Now let us see the sixth. As you can see, the sixth is vegetative propagation. So first of all, let us study about fission. So in fission, unicellular organism splits to form new organism. Fission means to break. So it is a process of reproduction in organisms such as protozoa and many bacteria. And this fission is also of two types, binary fission and multiple fission. Now let us continue with the same. Yes, so binary fission. In binary fission, the parent cell divides into two after reaching a point where it has full grown. In this process, after splitting, parent cell do not exist and the two new organisms are formed. Means there is a single cell, it divides into two, then two, they form four. Like this, binary fission goes on and on. Binary, bi means two, and fission means to break. So, students, in binary fission, a single organism breaks up into two. Now, let us see next. Example of unicellular organisms that undergo binary fission are amoeba, paramecium, leishmania. Now, multiple fission. You can see in the diagram of binary fission, the parent cell is there, then nucleus divides into two, then cytoplasm divides and the two new organisms are formed. Now let us see multiple fission. So multiple fission is also a process of asexual reproduction in which parent cell splits to form many new organisms. This happens when cyst is formed around a unicellular organism and it forms the new two organisms. Now let us see the next is budding. Budding means formation of bud. And what does bud mean? Bud means a small outgrowth. So the word bud means small outgrowth. In the process of budding, a small bud grows on the body of the parent organism, and when the time comes, it detaches to form a new organism. Examples are hydra and the yeast. As you can see in the figure also, the parent hydra is there, then bud is formed, new hydra is formed, then after some time this hydra will be detached from the parent organism and the new hydra will be formed. Now let us see next. Spore formation. The method of spore formation occurs in both uni and multicellular organisms. In spore formation, the parent produces hundreds of spores, and these spores are the reproductive units. This process it mainly takes place in the plants. When this spore case of the plant bursts, these spores travel in air and land on food or soil. Here they germinate and produce new plants. So spores are the tiny spores that are present in the atmosphere and they germinate when the conditions are favorable for them. So this was about spore formation. Now let us see next. Regeneration. Regeneration is an asexual method of reproduction. In this process, if the body of the parent organism gets cut, then it again regenerates and the whole new organism is formed. This happens because when the body of an organism that can undergo regeneration gets cut and whole new organism is formed. Regeneration occurs in plants as well as in the animals. Now let us see next. This is about fragmentation. As you can see in fragmentation, there is a simple organism that breaks up into fragments in 2 or 3 parts or more. Then each part develops into a new organism. This is a algae that is undergoing fragmentation, that is Spirogyra. Now let us see next. This is vegetative propagation. This forms of asexual reproduction, this occurs in plants only. In vegetative propagation, parts of old plant like stem, root and leaves are used to grow a new plant. Plants that undergo vegetative propagation are green grass, bryophyllum, money plant and so on. So my dear students, I hope that you have understood about the types of asexual reproduction. So learn this, revise it again and again, and hope to see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay home, be healthy and keep studying and learning new things. Okay then, goodbye and take care.